Welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do 3-digit numbers. First, review exercises. Write the numbers name for each of the following numerals. So first is 1 to 12. So number name हो जाएगा TWELVE 12. Clear? Next, write the numerals for each of the following numeral names. 22. First is 22. So numeral हो जाएगा 2 to 22. Clear? Next, arrange the following numeral in ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. We have to start from the smallest and move to the largest number. So here the smallest number is 15. So write 15. Then 28. So we'll write 28. Then 36. Next number 45. Clear? And the largest is 62. This is the ascending order. Next, arrange the following numeral in descending order. So here we have to arrange the number in descending means decreasing order. We have to start from the greatest number and move to the smallest numbers. So the greatest number among these numbers is 74. So first we'll write 74. Then 56. Then 40, then 21, and the smallest number is number 15. Clear? Next, ones, tens and hundreds. When we put 100 ones together, we get 110. 10 ones equals to 110. So 10 ones किसके equal होगा? 110 के. When we put 10 tens together, we get 100. 10 tens means 10 into 10, that is 100. 10 tens means 100. 10 10, that is equals to 100. So 100 and 100, that makes 200. So ये हो जाएगा 200. 400, 100 के 4, so it will make 400. Next, hundreds and tens together. 100 and 4 tens. So 100 means 100 100 plus 4 tens means 40. So that is equals to 140. Clear? 200 and 3 tens, 200 plus 30. 3 tens means 30. 230. 230 हो जाएगा. Clear? Next is hundreds, tens and ones together. So in a 3-digit number, 100, tens and ones together. 200, 4 tens and 6 ones. Means 200 plus 40 plus 6, 246. Clear? Next is 338. So we'll write 300 plus 30 plus 8. Number क्या हो जाएगा? 338. Next is exercise 2.1. Write the numerals and number names. So here 200 plus 3 tens means 30 plus 6. So number क्या हो जाएगा? 236. Clear? Next, in class 1, we have read numbers up to 100. 9 is the greatest 1-digit number. The number next to 9 is 10. It is a 2-digit number, so it is the smallest 2-digit number. The smallest 2-digit number is 10 and the greatest 2-digit number, that is number 99. Let us 1 to 99, so we'll get 99 plus 1. 1 add करेंगे, so 90 plus 9 plus 1. 90 means 9 tens plus 9 ones plus 1 1. So that is equals to 9 10 plus 10 ones. 9 tens plus 1 10. 10 ones means 110. So that is equals to 10 tens or 100. So we call 10 tens as 100 and write it as 100, which is thus the 3-digit number start from 100 and the smallest 3-digit number is 100 and one more is 101. So which is read as 101 and next number is 102. It is read as 102. In this way, the 3-digit numbers goes up to 999. So here 10 tens, that is equals to 100. 20 tens. 20 tens means 200. Clear? Next is 1000 is the smallest 4-digit numbers. Like this, you can make number up to here we have make number up to 100 tens, that is equals to 1000. 1000 is the smallest 4 digit number, 4 digit का सबसे छोटा number है. Next is fill the missing numbers. Numbers from 101 to 200. 101, 102, then 103, then 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109 and 110. Like this we will write the numbers. Clear? Next is numbers from 201 to 300. So start from the 201, that 202, 203, 204, 205, 206, 207, 208, 209 and 210. Clear? Like this we can write the numbers. Next is numbers from 301 to 400. So start from 301, 302, 303, 304. Like this we can keep writing the numbers. Next is numbers from 401 to 500. 500, that is 500. 401, that 402, 403, 404, 405. Like this we keep writing the numbers. Next is numbers from 501 to 600. So start from 501, then 502, 503, 504, 505, 506. Like this we can keep writing the numbers. Next is numbers from 601 to 700. So start from the 601, 601, 602, 603 is already there, 604, 605, 606, 607, 608, 609 and 610. Clear? Next, number from 701 to 800. Same way 701 से start करेंगे, keep adding 1 to the previous number, you will get the next number. So 702, 703, 704, 705, 706, like this. Next is numbers from 801 to 900. First is 801, so we will write here 802, 803, 804. Like this we keep writing numbers. Next is numbers from 901 to 1000. 901 से start करेंगे 902, 903, 904, 905. Like this we'll keep writing numbers. Clear? Next is 3-digit numbers on abacus. How we will represent 3-digit number on abacus? We already know how to represent 2-digit numbers on abacus. Similarly, we can represent 3-digit number on the abacus. So here we need an abacus having 3 vertical rods to represent ones, tens and hundred respectively. From the right, the number of beats in the 100 spikes. Spikes are the number of 100. The number of beats is the 10th spike, shows the number of tens, and the number of beats is 1 spike, show us the number of ones. In the abacus shown here, there are 1 beats in 100 spike, 2 beats in 10 spike and 5 beats on 1 spike. So number is 125. So we have to represent a 3-digit number. So abacus should have 3 spikes. This is for ones, tens and this for 100. So here we can see 1 beat on hundreds abacus, 100 की place पे जो है 1 beat है, and then tens की place पे 2 beats है and at ones place 5 beats. So number क्या हो जाएगा 125. Clear? Next is exercise 2.2. Count forward and write the next number 224, 225, then 226, 227, 228, 229, Next number is 230. Like this, we will keep writing the numbers. Clear? So practice all the questions of this exercise. You have to practice all the questions. Some more questions are given here. You need to practice all the questions. Clear? Here some more questions are given. So more you will practice, more you will understand the concept. Next is, write the number shown on each abacus. So first one is given, the number is 553. Next, how many beads are 100 placed? So we'll count the number of beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 beads. So we'll write here 9. Then tens place 2 beads. So write 2. Ones की place पे 1 bead है. So write 1. So number is 921. No bead in any spikes of abacus means the value of that place is 0. अगर किसी भी spike में अगर कोई भी bead नहीं, that means value क्या है 0. Next is place value of a digit. The expanded form of 735, that is 700 plus 3 tens plus 5 ones, 700 plus 30 plus 5. So 5 in the ones place, so the place value of 5 is 5. 3 किस place पे है? 3 is at tens place, so place value क्या हो जाएगी? 3 into 10, 30. 7 is at 100 place, so place value क्या हो जाएगी? 7 into 100, that is 700. We write it in the tabular form. Tabular form में इस तरीके से 735, 5 की place value हो जाएगी 5, 3 की 30 and 7 की 700. Next is exercise 2.3. Fill in the placeholder. In 524, 4 is at, 4 कहाँ पे? Ones की place पे. So write here ones place. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is expanded form and short form. Example लेते हैं 248. So expanded form में that means we are writing the number according to their place value sum. Place value के sum की form में लिखेंगे, that means expanded form है. So write 200s, 4 tens की position पे है, so 4 tens plus 8 ones. So that is equals to 200 plus 40 plus 8. Next is write in expanded form 378. So we'll write expanded form में we can write 300 plus 7 tens की place पे है, so ये हो जाएगा 70 plus 8. Clear? 378. Next is write in short form 200 plus 70 plus 6. So we'll write the numbers as 200. HUNDRED 176. Clear? Next is comparing numbers. Different number of digit. If the number have different number of digit, we can easily compare. Comparison means to find out which number is greater or smaller of the 2 or more digit number. Compare the digit in each the number. The number which have more number of digits will be greater. For example, compare 87 and 117. 87 is a 2-digit number and 117, that is a 3-digit number. So obviously a 3-digit number will be greater than 2-digit number. So the number 117 has 3 digits and the number 87 have only 2 digits. So the number 117 is greater than 87. We write it as 117 is greater than 87. Next is same number of digit. If number of digits are same, then how will compare? If the number of digits are equal, compare the digit in the 100 place. The number which have greater digit in the 100 place will be greater. For example, compare 233 and 213. So 233 and 213 को compare करना है. 233 को इस तरीके से हम प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट में लिखेंगे and 213 like this. Clear? If the digit at 100 place are same, comparing the digit at tens place, the number which have the greater digit in the टेंस प्लेस इज द ग्रेटर नंबर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, 233 विल बी ग्रेटर देन 230. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट इज कंपेयर 248 एंड 239. अगेन both are 3-digit number, so we'll compare the digit first. हम क्या करेंगे, we start with the leftmost digit. Here it is 2, 100 की place में दोनों में 2 है, so we'll compare the digit tens place. Here it is 4 and here it is 3. 4 is greater than 3, so we can say 248 is greater than 239. Clear? Next is compare 376 and 378. So both are 3-digit number. We start comparing from the 100 place. So here both the numbers having the same digit 100 place. Next is tens. So tens की भी same है. Next is ones. Here it is 6 and here it is 8. 8 is greater than 6. If the digit in 100 place and tens place are same, अगर 100 और tens की place की digit same है, so we'll compare the digit at ones place. 8 is greater than 6, so we can say the number 378 is greater than 376. We'll write it as 378 is greater than 376, or we can say 376 is less than 378. Next is exercise 2.4. Ring the greater number. So here 3 numbers are given. They have circled the greater number. Here 3 number 563, 536 and 291. So here we have to compare which one is the greatest among these 3 numbers. So 563 will be greater number among these 3 numbers. So we'll circle it. Clear? So practice all the questions of this exercise. The number which is on the right of the another number is greater number than one of its left. So 224 is smaller than 225 and 225 is smaller than 228. Next is ascending order. Ascending means increasing order. We have to start from the smallest and move to the greatest. 224, 225 and 228 also written as. सबसे छोटा जो नंबर हो जाएगा that is 224, then 225 and then 228. So this will be the order. Clear? Next is descending order. Descending means decreasing order. We have to start with the greatest number and move to the smallest number. Clear? So 228, 225 and 224 also written as. कैसे लिख सकते हैं, 228 then 225, 228. Clear? Next is exercise 2.5. Arrange the following number in ascending order. Ascending means increasing order में लगाना है. So सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, सबसे smallest से छोटे नंबर से start करेंगे, that is 356. Then next number, that is 491. Then next number हमारा हो जाएगा 542 and the greatest number is 653. This will be the ascending order of given numbers. So practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is formation of greatest and smallest number. First question is ring the greatest numbers. So greatest number, if we compare between these two numbers, which one will be greater? 423 will be greater than 421. So circle this number. Like this we can compare the numbers, which one is greater or which one is smaller. Next is ring the smaller number. Between these two numbers, 253 and 135, which one will be smaller? 135. So we'll circle it. Clear? Next is exercise 2.6. Cross out the greatest number in each set. Greatest 420 and 484. So we have to cross out the greatest number. So 484 will be greater than 420. So we'll cross out it. Clear? So practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is chapter test. Take the right answer. 448 and 448. Both number are equal, so we'll put the equal sign. So C is the correct option here. Here we end the chapter. I hope आप सबको chapter अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा. Now you have to practice it.